1986 4Runner with the new eBay 12-hole spray injectors installed for a second time. First time I had very difficult starting, and most time it would not start. I have one of the new ones there, and there's that one, and the one in the front. Those are the old injectors I just had in there that have 380,000 miles on them, which run just fine. I'll try to do a start right now. I primed a little bit of spray in there, see if it'll start. Okay, so it started, but it does not want to run. And this is exactly what it did the first time I had these in here yesterday. It just acts like a dead, maybe two dead injectors. But it does not work. And just stalled. The old ones with 380,000 miles run great. These ones with the new 12 spray or 12 hole injectors just aren't working.